gentlemen, just a preview for the show there. You can see the Huey helicopter and the 0816 Loach that has just done a pass for us. They're going to position on the tennis court to the north behind Livermore Head. So if you want to go and have a close look at them, they're there. The Huey is a genuine Vietnam veteran. He's fought in the Vietnam War with the Airborne Cavalry. The Loach was a spotter. We'll tell you a lot more about those later on in the day, but there's just a quick preview. We also have a particular item in that one of our display pilots, John Calvary, is going to fly in at a height, and he's going to try and make a world record, ladies and gentlemen, of in excess of 16 flat spins. Now, he did 16 last year at the show. That created a world record. He's now going to try and exceed that if he can today, get the height, and on clear skies, obviously. So that's going to be probably the first item that we will have for you at about 12:15. The show proper will start at about 1:15, when the Belgian Air Force helicopters will come in, probably a little earlier. We're not quite sure their arrival time, but they're coming in to start the display at 1:15. So they will be the first to play. First, they will also come in and position at the tennis court behind Livermore Head. So if you want to go meet the Belgians after their display, they will be there. They love to chat to you. They came last year. They enjoyed the time they had it all. Now we quickly run through the programme for you. Quite extensive. At about 1:30, and then we will have the wild parachute drop, the wild team, the local team. They will be dropping onto the beach, and they will follow by the rider solos from Portrush Airshow, which will be on for about 1:45, just before 2 o'clock. Next item we will have will be the spearmen by stage in the wing walk with our Spanish ladies. 2 o'clock, and then after that the Yak and Soko duo, which is two Iron Curtain aeroplanes from the 1960s that will be doing a dual display, followed by the Jet Provost. The Jet Provost will lead to the Grand Derby 7 with our dear friend Jerry Humphreys, who's come up from the Republic to display for several aircraft today. That's his first display item.
Were you on already?
About 2:30, the Huey and Loach, two helicopters that you have just seen, begin their display, followed by the Condor and the RV-16, the Formation Aerobatic team, and we'll probably try to work something out so that they can talk to us on the radio during their display. Next we have another classic jet, the Havilland Vampire, at just after 3 o'clock, followed at 3:15 by the Oster, which is a classic aeroplane in itself, and he'll be doing the first photo run for the Eye in the Sky competition. After that, the PA-28, which is of course the, if you like, the successor to the Oster, the American PA-28, followed by something really exciting and a very much a first for Northern Ireland, is the demonstration by Ed Sister of the Extremer SBAC aircraft. Now the SBAC is an all-carbon fibre composite aircraft. It is capable of aerobatic manoeuvres that no other aeroplane can do, so we're going to see a really exciting aerobatic display there.
sweet.
Clean the aircraft up. Undercarriage gone away. We retract the flap, looking to bring the speed back up. Place on the side of the aircraft, based on with an Audi logo. They are at the Office and Display Centre.
a couple of mentions here. We've got a wedding anniversary of Jeff and Sarah, and they say here it's their 75th wedding anniversary, which I find astounding, but Jeff and Sarah Ramshort, happy anniversary from your friends Jack and Rose. Some of the staff sent me a text here to ask people if you would kindly take their litter with them and put it in a bin instead of scattering it on the ground for that, or something guilty of that. I spotted that myself, and it just brings the blows out onto the beach. Of course, it also caused a hazard to aircraft. Simply plastic bags would whip up quite a house of the crowd, you know, and if one of the plastic bags gets stuck in an aircraft engine, makes it double to the pilot. So yes, please, I echo what Brian said, please make sure, take your litter with you. Please, don't leave litter on the pavement, so it just causes a problem for aeroplanes and all. I also give a mention, if you're in the area and you come here because of the airshow, let me tell you that there's something happening here every single weekend. For example, next weekend, we have the giant concrete pink safari over at Rathnam Island. You can find that in Port Stewart, and you'll find all the details on North Coast MI, the website for this area. It's going out from Port Stewart Harbour at 10 o'clock. It's 40 quid, under 12 is 30 quid. And also next weekend on Sunday, there's both of them on Sunday. It'll be a live church school, charity service day.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, in for his second display slot, Liam McCarthy in the Jet Roberts. And this time, the gentleman talking to you about Jet Roberts. This is some real Jet Roberts movement. Brian, you see the top. Fuck-off 90s, in fact, it was meant to be 262 jet. On your right, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Pickup, the Catalina flying boat. The battle took place in the middle of the Atlantic, and he had to fly the Catalina back to England over a period of about 2 hours. By the time he got back to the UK, his wounds were so severe that he'd actually been taken out of the...
And hopefully he'll bring it in around the bay. He'll be coming in around about 100 knots.
He's flying Circus Wingwalking team in 1991 and stayed with the team of the various guys and names, from the Crunchies to the Yugo team to the Utterly Butterlies for 15 years. During this time he was involved in some world records, including wing walker hand-to-hand touch with one aircraft inverted, and the human link between two aircraft. Link between two aircraft with Eve Rossi, the Rocket Man. Before his own Stearman aircraft, the one you see here in 2010.
This is really the difficult bit. She has to get her straps fairly loose, and then her safety wire has to be in the right position. You'll see her actually on the back.
feared that the battery rammed in the meantime. I'm not scared that it'll run the battery in. It's overcast with our display. That's certainly nice. You can be very excited indeed. But again, this line will be open tomorrow as well. If you want to text in a dedication or request, or indeed events that you're holding in the next few weeks, charity events, etc. 077. Well, the Augusta 109, I've just identified the crew. I'm sorry about that, I didn't have the information in front of me, but in fact, flying the aircraft today is Lieutenant Philip Perriman, known as Shaggy to his friends. He was in fact second pilot last year, and Kevin Waterman is the other guy who's with him, second pilot. They've come over today from Belgium to display the aircraft for us. And I gather that whilst I was busy getting that information, I missed the flare drop, unfortunately. But nevertheless, there you go. Wonderful. For those of you who had your cameras ready during that pass, that was absolutely perfect. With the dark sky with the light coloured flares. Very manoeuvrable for a large transport helicopter. It really is a very transport helicopter altogether. Looks like just something. The Italians are very good at building good helicopters. They have a strong working relationship with our own weapons helicopter. Rising up again. That was ready. That might be another flare drop. The aircraft to max speed. That's the 216 567 horsepower engine.
going to start with a rolling display, and they're going to be on time in 20 seconds time. So let's have a big round of applause, lots of clapping and cheering here at this wonderful scenic event at the Portrush Airshow. So if we can, please have a round of applause for the Royal Air Force Aerobatic team, the Winners! To roll back and then forming a shape called Apollo, and I'll talk more about Apollo in a minute. On the Eagle Squadron. So now in from our right hand side, the Eagle Roll. The pilot goes back down. Well, this is the 70th anniversary of Operation Capsize, which was the famous Sandbusters raid carried out by 617 Squadron on the night of the 16th of May 1943. Those brave airmen flew their 19 Lancaster bombers deep into enemy territory to drop their bouncing bombs and complete their mission. With the smoke on now, the team are forming the shape. One of our pilots has completed a tour with the famous Sandbusters Squadron. So 3 is Flight Lieutenant Mark Lawson. It's his first year with the Red Arrows, and he completed his first tour in the Royal Air Force, flying with 617 Squadron, where he flew his Tornado GR4 over Iraq and Afghanistan, before transferring to 9th Squadron, again flying over Afghanistan, and also over Libya in 2011. The smoke's on now for another shape. This is our tightest shape. The jets in this formation are around 5 to 6 feet apart as they come in from our right hand side and fly the Apollo roll. Right wing is another of our first three. He's Red 9, Flight Lieutenant Mike Child. He's in his second year with the team, and he's the pilot that's about to move to the very bottom of the formation during the next. The last of our first-year pilots, and he's Red 5, Flight Lieutenant Steve Morris. Steve's another former Hawk flying instructor. He was then posted to the Harrier GR9, but unfortunately only spent a short time flying the aircraft before it was taken out of service. Then he transferred to the Tornado GR4, which he flew over Libya in support of Operation Elemi in 2011. Smoke's back on for another shape. This time you'll see Red 6 and 7 move to their respective sides to form Big Vixen, named after the 1960s naval fighter, the Sea Vixen. And in from your right hand side to finish the first half of the display, this is the Big Vixen roll.
see? What?
Turn away from us at 6G, or 6 times the force of gravity, where everything in their body is weighing 6 times more than normal. The pilots work hard to counter the G-forces as they fly the cyclone. You're right. There's a low jet right behind. He's now going to fly in between heated seats.
Mark, here.
control buttons on the aircraft. Here's Red 4. This is a new manoeuvre for 2013, and it's called the Twister. Red 1 now makes Red 4's life even harder as he enters a 3G right-hand turn. From Red 6's aircraft, and doing it while he's upside down. But now look to your left, where you'll see the 5 headlights of the side of the formation in the rollback.
Daddy, that's all.
Get your cameras ready for the return of a crowd favourite manoeuvre. Reds 8 and 9 roll around 6 and 7 before smoke will come on. Please, a big round of applause for the Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team. He apologises for what happened here last year with the aircraft and the fact that we had a bird strike that could only do the synchro fair display. So he hopes that made up for it, and indeed I echo those sentiments. So I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank
You ready, sir?
Go for the dooley, Jack. Go for the dooley.
I don't want to, but I'm not moving.
Jack, just go for the dooley.